Hello students, today we will see the exercise of chapter 11 page 63. Let us see number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. A. Mahira sing in the church choir. Here Mahira. Mahira comes in third person singular. So the verb sing, here we have filled the blanks. It agrees with the subject Mahira. B. The man in the yellow cap seems like your brother. Here the man. It comes in third person singular. So here in the sentence, the verb seems, we have filled in the blanks. It agrees with the subject, the man. C. The boy jumps into the pool. Here the boy. It comes in singular. So the verb jumps. We have filled in the blanks. It agrees with the subject, the boy. D. It doesn't seem possible. Here, the subject it is used for third person singular. So we have filled in the blanks doesn't. It agrees with the subject. We will see next page, page 64. E. Where are you going? Here in the sentence we have filled with the verb are, because here you, this is called pronoun, and with the pronoun you, it comes in singular and plural. We can use you with both plural and singular. So according to this sentence, here if we write where is you going, it is wrong. It should be where are you going. F. Either my father or my mother is coming for the parents' day. Here we are talking in the sentence only one person, either my father or my mother, means any one. So the subject is telling of the singular. So therefore here we have filled the verb is agrees with the subject. G. Neither Kavita nor Aparna knows the answer. Here also in the sentence we are talking about one person. Neither Kavita nor Arpan means anyone. So the sentence, the subject is about only singular. So therefore here we have filled the verb knows agrees with the subject. H. A few students have agreed to join the camping trip. Here a few students means some students. So it comes in plural. So therefore here the verb have, we have filled in the blanks. It agrees with the subject. So students, we have completed number 1. Let us see number 2. Underline the subject and state if it is singular or plural. Means singular or plural. Then fill in the blanks with the correct word from the bracket. Let us see A. My sister talks too much. Here, my sister. It is in singular, means it comes in singular. So therefore here we have filled the blanks with the verb talks. It agrees with the subject. B. The woman in the blue sarees. The woman in the blue saree is my aunt. Here, the woman. It speaks about singular, means one person. So the verb is we have filled here. It agrees with the woman. See, Tanya and Manya like potato wafers. Here, Tanya and Manya. We are talking about two persons. So it comes in plural. So here we have filled the verb like. It agrees with Tanya and Manya. D. Raju lives near the school. Raju. Raju comes in third person singular. So, therefore here we have filled the blanks with the verb lives. It agrees with the subject Raju. E. The boy eat bananas. The boys. It speaks about plural. So here we have filled the verb eat. It agrees with the subject the boy. F. Each of the students is responsible for the books they borrow from the library. Once again we will read. Each of the students is responsible for the books they borrow from the library. Here we see, here each. It comes in singular. When we use the each, it refers for singular. So therefore here we have filled the blanks with the verb is. So it agrees with the word each. J. Neither of the pens are working. Here the pens. It comes in plural. So therefore here we have filled the blanks with the verb are. It is correct. H. Each of these dishes is tasty. Here each. I told you each comes in singular. Means it denotes of one person, one place or one thing. So it comes in singular. So therefore here we have filled the blanks with the verb is correct. So students, we have completed the exercise number 1 and 2. I think you understood what I told you. I give you in homework page 65 number 3. This you have to do by yourself. What you have to do here, you have to match the columns, the subject in column A with the predicate in column B. So I think you can do it, and please try to do it. And all the exercise you have to write in your notebook, means not copy. So students, I end the class here. Thank you.